Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up and use projects in QuickBooks Online. To begin, open QuickBooks and make sure you are on the main homepage. Before you can create and use projects, the feature first needs to be enabled in your account settings. This is an important setup step because if projects is not turned on, the option will not appear where you expect it later. From within QuickBooks, go to Settings and look for the option related to projects. Turn projects on, then follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. The prompts inside QuickBooks will guide you through the activation process. Take a moment to read each screen carefully so the feature is enabled properly. Once that's done, you're ready to start working with projects. After completing the setup, return to the QuickBooks homepage. From there, move your mouse over the 9-dot menu icon. This menu gives you access to different tools and areas inside QuickBooks. When the menu opens, hover your mouse over Projects, then click on Projects to open that section. Once you're in the Projects area, click Start a Project. This will open the form where you can create a new project record. In the Project Name field, enter a sample project name. Choose a name that is clear and easy to recognize, especially if you expect to manage several projects at once. Using a simple naming convention can make it much easier to stay organized later. Next, enter the remaining details that are needed for the project. Depending on your QuickBooks setup, these fields may include information associated with the project record. Fill in the required details carefully so the project is created accurately. It's a good idea to double check what you enter before saving, since accurate project information helps with tracking and reporting inside QuickBooks. When everything is complete, click Save. QuickBooks will then create the project and add it to your projects area, where you can access it later as needed. That's all it takes to set up and begin using projects in QuickBooks Online. The key part is turning the feature on first in Settings, then creating your first project from the Projects section. If anything doesn't appear as expected, go back and confirm that the Projects feature was enabled successfully. Once that's in place, the rest of the process is straightforward and easy to repeat for future projects.